Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Diwali all of you. I'm going to create this makeup look for Diwali. I have never done anything like this. So this is very different, very new to me, and if you want to know how I got this look, continue watching the video. I did the eyes first and then my whole base. So if you just want to watch eyes or just base, continue watching the video. So I have filled my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids. I don't have any base on my face. I just primed my eyes with the Thin Lizzy Flawless Complexion Concealer and I did set it with a translucent powder. Now I will start eye makeup first and then I will do my whole face. So this makeup look is very different than usually what I do. I will start with doing my lid first. So I'm gonna use the Urban Color Intense Stay 10 Hour Kajal. It's the kohl. So I will directly apply the kohl to my lid. I'm very nervous right now. I don't know how it will go. And now I will be taking any fluffy brush to just blend this out. I won't blend it too much because I want it as a base for something. If you feel like it's not precise, don't worry about it, just go for it. Now, for my transition, I will be using this baby pink color from this palette. It's just for the sake of doing transition. It won't harm you. I don't know. I just want to use that. So I think baby pink and black color goes really well. Just to blend my black color, I'm using this. Now comes the main eyeshadow and it's very easy, very simple, but I'm still scared. So I'm using this Invincible palette and I'm actually going to take this blue turquoise greenish sort of a color. I don't know how to describe it. This is like a pressed glitter. So I will apply directly with my fingers all over my lid. And that is the most difficult part. So this is how it is. I'm really excited about it. So wherever my finger is not able to reach, I'll just do it with the brush, and this is the flat eyeshadow brush. I messed it up a little bit here, so I'll just clean that. It is looking very beautiful. I love how it is looking right now. Now comes the very interesting part. Don't worry about fallouts. We will clean that later. So I have this color. This is greenish blue sort of a color. It is complementing with this color I have right now. So I'll be using the flat angled brush and I will do my lower lash line with it. And this is very pigmented and this is like my favorite shade. It is so good. So I will take and just do my lower lash line. It is not showing on the camera, but I will use it at the end because still I'm left with the full face makeup. So it's almost done, not fully done, so wait for it. Now I will just try to clean the ends and start my face makeup quickly. And now I will take any tissue and just wipe off the fallouts from the glitter. There are still some fallouts, but that's okay. So now I will start my base makeup, and I will be using Wet n Wild Dewy Primer because it's festival, so why not? So I'll take like a generous amount and just spread it all over my face. It has this dewiness going on all over it, but it will be okay in a while. It is looking slightly weird, but I promise it will all come together at the end. So to conceal my face, I'm gonna use the same concealer, Thin Lizzy Flawless Complexion Concealer, and I will conceal my usual areas. So I'm going to use the Beauty Makeup Bomb for this. And now I will be using the flat brush because I don't want to ruin my eyeshadow. And for my foundation, I will be using the same Flawless Complexion Liquid Foundation in the shade Foxy. As the concealer has done its job, I will just use very little amount. And I will be taking the Real Technique sponge for my whole face. To set everything, I am going to use the Kat Von D translucent powder. My base is all set. Now I will give back my face the life. I'll do blush, highlight and contour. So first I will take my Holy Grail palette. This is the Sivanna Colors Ultra Blush palette, and I will use this shade to contour my face. I will also contour my forehead because it's so big. And now with the same brush, I will do my blush. And for blush, I have very interesting product. It's the Ofra Medicine Miller Collab Blush, and it's in the shade All I Need Is Love. Very beautiful, and it will look amazing on deeper skin tone. I sometimes use it as eyeshadow. I love how my base is looking. I've never done this heavy base, but it's festival and you have to experiment, so why not? And now comes the favorite part. That is highlighting, and for highlighting I am going to use the same Ofra highlighter in the shade Star Island, and this is my favorite highlighter. I'm actually going to use the same in my inner corners. And for that, I will be taking this dome-shaped brush. Now finally I'm gonna do my lower lash line, and as I said, everything will come together in a while. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same shade, the green one I used earlier. Taking in the same flat brush. Looking nice. And now I will set my makeup using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And this gives me like a glow from within. I am already glowing a lot, but still. It will set everything, lock everything. And now for my lipstick, I have two options. The one is the brown nude color and the one is deep red color. So I will show you both of them. And I actually want to figure out which one looks good. So I'm using the Pecan from Unique to You color. And this is the brownie nude color. I've used this a lot on my channel and I use it almost every day. So this is how the nude color looks, and now I will be using the deep red color, and this is actually new in my vanity. It's the Unique to You color in the shade Merlot or Merlot, and this is how it is. It's beautiful deep red maroon sort of a color. And can you see that, how it looks? I personally love this combination. Like, I like to mix lipsticks. I never apply like one shade. Now comes the lashes, bindi and the mantika. So I will do my hair and everything and come back quickly. So this is the final look. I did wear bindi, I did mantika. So I was having like a center partition. I wore tikka, and then my partition is like this. So this is the final look, and I was actually gonna wear eyelashes. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And I will actually wear lashes, wear dupatta and show you the final look. So I just wanted to come in the middle and show you how it is. So yeah, this is how it looks and I am in love with it. So I am wearing the fake eyelashes and I don't have any eyeliner or mascara. So the lashes are from Real Tasty Lashes and it's in the variant Clementine. I will link it in the description box. Everything will be linked in the description box. This is my dupatta and I'm actually wearing like a turquoise blue sort of a skirt. So this is my final look and I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned something. You guys be the judge and comment down below how it is. I've never worn a look like this, so this is very new to me and I am loving it. So let me know in the comment section, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.